Let me guess, you think you have plenty of time? I used to think that too, but here's a unifying truth every one of us shares: death. It's not morbid, it's clarifying. Means our time here is finite. Procrastination is your bet that you'd have tomorrow, which is scary because you don't know what happens tomorrow. Your vision, your purpose is in a race against that very clock. In every generation, there would be someone with the same vision or a greater vision. For every Usain Bolt, there is a gout. So if you don't do it, someone else will. It's not about 24/7 hustling. That's unhealthy. You need rest, but procrastination isn't rest. It's anxiety. And the only powerful cure is the realization that the clock is ticking. 1. If you're still finding your purpose, learn everything you can. Every single knowledge is beneficial. What you know is your power. 2. If you know your purpose, revise it every day until you win. Change your mindset regarding your future from "I have to do this" to "I want to do this." 3. Don't seek cheap dopamine from TikTok or Instagram Reels. Instead of watching people who have already made it, finishing a task gives you healthy dopamine. 3. Break everything down into 5-minute tasks. 4. Reward yourself. Take a coffee break. Take a walk when you've done some work. 5. Be accountable to yourself and to someone else. Start by stating one small thing you'd do today in the comments. The clock's ticking and the ball is in your court.